Hi guys, welcome to AB Crypto Talk. On this particular video, I want to show you the step-by-step process in which you can carry out Parabola Finance testnet program. Okay, so this testnet just went live not quite long, and you need to know that according to the Medium article, it says that this testnet allows testing the main functionalities of the protocol in a fictitious and safe place with trial fronts, so you can understand the dynamics of our protocol without incurring any risks. All right, so also, all users who participate in this test will be rewarded. So if you read down, you will find out that bug identifiers will be rewarded based on the severity of the spoiled bug. So what this means is that you will be rewarded in participating in this testnet, and also if you find a bug and you report this bug, you will also be rewarded. Mind you, in order for you to report this bug, you need to go to their Telegram channel to report this particular bug. All right, so if you go through the documentation, you will find out that 1% of the PRB total supply has been allocated for airdrop. Now, if you want to read further, you can see that it says who can get this airdrop. So, Parabola community early users. All right, so without wasting much of our time, now is time to take action. All right, so first, what do we need to do? Mind you, I will leave the needed links on the description of this video so you can click on them to carry out the necessary tasks. So first, you need to add Kronos testnet to your wallet. All right, so if you don't have a MetaMask wallet, you need to create one. Okay, so then you can just simply go to chainlist.org and type in Kronos. Remember, it's testnet, right? So you add MetaMask, you add to your MetaMask. All right, so okay, so I'm adding it right now. All right, it's done. You can see now I have the Kronos testnet. Okay, so next thing for you to do is to get your testnet code. Okay, so how do you get these? You can simply come to this site, which I will leave on the description of this video. All you just need to do is to copy your address and insert it on this particular place and get test CRO. All right, so these might take some time, but you can get at least 50 text CRO per request. Okay, and you can only request once a day. All right, so let's see. Successful, we have sent the funds to your address. Now we have gotten our testnet CRO token. Okay, so it took a while before this thing got to my wallet. So if you are participating in this stuff and it's taking you so much time, please just be patient. Okay, so next thing for we to do is to connect to wallets, which I've already connected to wallet actually. So which I've already connected. I just want to disconnect and connect. All you just need to do is click on the connect. Okay, so I've connected to the wallet. So the next step is for you to click on these faucets. Okay, because we need to get some of these stable coins which we are going to use, which we'll be using in carrying out these the activities on this testnet. Okay, so you just need to copy your address and okay, get that. Okay, so next is good. Next is to get USDC. So this is how you are going to get all of these, because you are going to be working with all of these. Okay, so it's just a step-by-step procedure, and it's so easy to do. Okay, so um lastly, we are going to get text BUSD. Remember this, whatever you are getting here, it's there's no monetary value attached to it. It's just for you to perform these testnet stuff. All right. So let's see what we got. Okay, so next for we to do now is to swap. Okay, so just simply need to get come over here this swap section and click swap. Now you can see my balance. I have 200 that token. I have 200 USDC token. Okay, so let's say I want to swap 150 dollar to um USDC. Okay, so I just simply need to approve it and confirm. Okay, this is how you you just need to this is how you need to carry out this processes. So it's quite easy. Okay, so you swap. After you swap, okay, we just approved it. Now we are swapping. Okay, we are swapping from DAI to USDC. Okay, so after this, let's say you want to also swap from let's say you want to also swap from USD to DAI. Okay, let's say you want to swap 50 USD to DAI. All you simply need to do is to approve. You must approve it first before you swap. Okay, done. So next we head to pools and provide we need to deposit and provide liquidity. So let's say we want to deposit on these. You click on deposits. I have 100 their token. I want to add 50 okay. So I have USDT. I want to add 50. I have USDT. I'm adding 50 as well. So I just need to deposit. Okay, so it's done. So what I need to do next is I need to withdraw from the liquidity. I need to withdraw the liquidity token, that's the liquidity LP tokens. All right, so let's say I want to withdraw. Okay, so I just approved it. And let's say I want to withdraw just 50 and I want to withdraw it. You receive only one asset. Okay, I want to withdraw this 50 to die to my DAI wallet. Okay, you can see that almost everything is working perfectly and we have not detected any fault or error or so ever. So everything is going on smoothly. So this is how you carry out the test net. Okay, done. So the next will be to farm. We are going to farm with using the LP tokens. Okay, so you just simply need to click here. Okay, let's say we want to farm with just 90, or let's use the maximum you have to approve. Okay, so now we are depositing. Okay, so okay, so the next thing for we to do is to vest our PBR token. So first I just need to refresh this page. Okay, so now you can see we have a total of 0.1864 PRB token. So it's time for we to vest and see. Okay, transaction confirmed, right? So we have been able to vest our PBR token. So the next thing for us to do is to go to stake. Okay, so let's go over here and claim. Remember, this is our amount here, early exit penalty. Okay, this is what we are paying. So now we are claiming. Let's say if it goes through. Transaction failed, error encountered. Okay, so we have to try this again. And okay, transaction confirmed. So claim all penalty. So we have been able to interact with these uh testnet program. So that was all for now, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I urge you to take action and be able to and be anticipating for the rewards to come.